troubled world, fix it again, make it new. Lord, you know our hearts from long ago. We look to you in hope. Earthly wisdom, power is weak and falling endlessly. Your reign and rules do not remain firm or last long to heal and give true peace. We need only you. Hold us tight, let us remain with a true spirit in this world. Broken and human as we are, heal us again. Guide everyone on the path. We look to you in You alone are the Lord from the beginning, needed and true. Many souls are calling and seeking you. In hope. We look to you, the eternal one, in hope. Jesus, we look to you in hope to give true peace. Oh, Jesus, hold us tight, let us remain with a true spirit.